So I'm gonna be showing you how to make some regular glossy slime. Today mine's not gonna be covered. So yeah, this is nothing. The floss, making some slime. Gonna need the glue. Need this glue first, and gonna pour the whole bottle. So, and for glossy slime, you're gonna need some water. So if you don't have like a cup or some water beside you, you're gonna use your bottle of glue, and you're gonna use your empty bottle of glue and put some water in it. So I'm gonna go do that real quick. Sorry for you for waiting. Got my water. Poured that in. Okay, so now you're gonna need something to stir with. Fork, plastic fork, a plastic spoon, or a plastic knife, whatever is easier for you. It's just gonna be a classic cool white slime for this. I know people say, oh yeah, green is actually the real classical slime. Well, to me, the white one's a classical slime, the first classical one, and then the green one's like the second classic one. So next, you're going to need your activator, which you can use laundry detergent, Tide or Gain, or you can use borax, but today I'm using Tide. So, you're going to keep putting little by little of your activator so you don't overactivate it. I'm not going to be using the cap today for this.
What is that?
Slime.
Oh, you make it with detergent?
Yes. If you want to.
What else could you make it with?
Borax, but you...
Wax?
Borax.
Oh, borax.
But I don't like to use it because it could hurt your hands.
Could get you what?
It could make your hands sting.
Sting.
So,
Stings your hands.
yeah.
I'm gonna do the dishes, And I'm going to sweep all the stuff from the hallway and the kitchen into the living room and vacuum. And then
That thing. Get that thing from the garage. The big flat thing. It's for the hardwood floors and stuff.
what big flat thing?
It's like, you know those industrial things that they go through the store with the thing that they,
Oh,
the
the pusher
sweeper
thing?
Yeah. We have one of those in the garage.
And I'm going to do I want to do my bathroom, like scrub my bathroom.
I'm gonna scrub my bathroom too.
I don't know if Brandy's going to bring the kids to swim or what, but everybody can go around the side if they're going to be here, if the floors are going to get done. You can definitely tell the difference in the house when the AC is off. It's
Oh, yeah.
already automatically warm.
It's hot already.
It's okay. I opened the window in the extra room and stuff too, so. Both of the fans are on and stuff. And it's really, like I said, it's not as hot today as it has been. So. The humidity is down. Anthony was like, I love your hair. I wish it was all gray.
I like it.
I was like, what the heck? I like it too. But you see a lot of gray on this side.
Yeah. Not so much
Like
today.
where the
Yesterday
orange-
was worse.
Yeah, and I haven't washed it yet. She said every time you wash it with regular shampoo, it'll lessen it.
Did you go get it washed today? Like she didn't take the stuff out?
She took everything out yesterday.
Oh, I thought, okay, that was the day before.
Yeah, she just said go ahead and wash your hair normally after 24 hours.
Stir. Coming together.
Then we'll bring the vacuum out here and we'll vacuum out here. We got to cover that stinking little area of the... good thing that blanket covers it. Where Coco bites the side. Okay, their poops she had fuzz in her poops.
Yeah. Because she's eating too much fuzz. She's swallowing it. At least she's pooping.
Yeah. It had poop and hairs and sticks in it. Shia literally freaks out when she knows nobody's going to eat her.
It's coming together.
You got your babies? You got your toys?
Nana, I'm gonna need you to put some Tide, please.
You're putting Tide in there?
Yeah. This is gonna be glossy slime.
Take all this stuff to put in the laundry room.
The Shiggy challenge.
When I put them outside today, she got in the chair. Your baby got in your chair, in that chair that you were sitting on, and she's like, like she's so sad. And I came out and I was like, really? I was like, do you want to get down? Come on, you can come in now. I'm
And she
gonna
won't
leave.
jump.
Come on. And she's like, and then she's like that.
Did you get her down?
Nope. I said, come on, and I moved the table a little bit over, and then she jumped down.
Okay.
Oh, I made her ass jump down. She acts so sad, and you're the one who got up in the damn chair.
I didn't put you there.
She got there because she
Can
missed her
someone
mom.
please put some Tide?
Where?
Right here over.
How much?
I'll tell you when to stop. Okay, that's enough.
It makes it less sticky the more you put.
Yeah,
That's funny. Because it's soap.
but
the soap mixed with the glue.
yeah.
Soap and glue.
That makes slime.
Soap and
Alrighty.
glue. And you need a
Please don't go
container.
in our
What are you trying
house.
to do? Oh,
Please
the
don't
beetle.
go in our house.
Go plant some water.
Oh my gosh, this is
I just
so...
watered them.
You did?
Well, not today. I'm gonna water them again today.
One on
but
the top looks so good.
I drenched everything yesterday because we moved them.
Maybe
and...
we should just move that carpet and just wash down the carpet instead of vacuuming out here.
Sure.
So we wash.
I do wash down sometimes, but some of these little particles won't come up.
Yeah.
That's why I try to
vacuum and then wash it down.
Yeah. Because at least like whatever they're bringing in here, the little
We need
stains,
to
there's
wash
stains everywhere.
Those wet clothes that are in there after yours are done, I'll wash those because that makes our house stink too.
What?
The wet clothes of David's in there. It's in a bag in the laundry room.
Oh, I forgot about it. Okay.
So I'll wash those ones after.
Better. Better than
She's
before.
so cute. She's very excited, TT, because she's going to get to see her dad soon.
Good.
And her mom is good, okay. She's
Okay.
okay now.
Good.
It's ready.
But
So did they talk? Have she and
she
Dad
hasn't
talked?
talked to him. But
I talked to him yesterday.
I told her you're going to have to unblock your number because you guys need to be able to communicate.
Exactly.
And then she was worried because on the paperwork that he gave, there's a restraining order that she cannot be taken out of the state without written permission from both parents. But he texted me the permission today.
No, you have to get it notarized. Can you have him,
Monica can
please,
notarize. Yeah.
meet up with Monica and get that notarized because we do not want any setbacks. It's better, even if he is saying verbally, I'm good, I would rather us be...
I'll get it done before we go then. But he said, yeah, he's like, I never want to deprive her of having fun with her family or doing anything. So he was like, and I knew she was going to go to Hawaii and I'm still going to give her money before she leaves for Hawaii. He's like, so that's never an issue. He's like, even if she's going on vacation with her dad and Andre, with her mom and Andre, I don't care. I just want to be able to have time with my daughter too.
I'm sure he wants to be able to take her somewhere too if he wanted to go on a vacation or a,
he's like, I want to be able to pick her up from school sometimes and
sometimes adults don't know how to communicate very well, and this is what happens.
But Bella's like, I just don't want him to be able to take her out of school and I not know about it. And I said, well,
that's something they have to put in writing.
I said, well, when you guys go to mediation and you make an agreement or to court and make an agreement, you just tell them, I want to be notified before he takes her out of school for anything. Or, ask before that. Because she is still going to be the primary parent.
Make sure that the dogs don't...
Sabina?
Oh, okay. She went through the little gate?
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay, it's ready.
How are you, Nina?
It's not sticky anymore. I made glossy slime with a success.
Ooh.
It's a success. Glossy slime.
Glossy.
Yeah,
Look
there's
at
certain.
it. See, it's glossy.
See how it's shiny?
They all look shiny to me, slime.
Not all of
No,
them.
if you sometimes they just come out white, like
No,
plain white.
look it. So the point, if you have clear slime, it's gonna be shiny no matter what.
Okay.
Because if it's just plain clear and you have something in it, which you don't want to have beads in it because it's gonna fall everywhere.
Okay.
That's why if you're gonna have beads, you need to make sure that your slime is super sticky, and then it won't make it sticky anymore.
Okay.
For a certain one. And then for glossy slime, you have to just have water, your activator, and glue. And those are both easy steps. And a container
Cool.
for slime.
It's
So,
cool.
I used to have so much slime, but then I sold it.
You sold it?
Yeah, I sold it. Not sold it.
Cool.
But I wanted to keep them and sold them, and I'm like, why did I do that?
Did you can always make more?
Yeah, because I'm
You
gonna
sell them, you use your money, you buy more.
Yeah, I used to, but I don't anymore. Because I'm like, I won't need slime because I'm done with waiting. And then there's butter slime. And then there's butter slime.
Butter?
Yeah, butter slime. With clay.
Smooth like butter.
Yeah, it's very smooth. And instead of making it really clicky, it's like this. And then it spreads like butter. Yeah, but you need either...
Is this one dirty?
Yeah, could you wash that out, please?
Yep, I sure could.
Thank you.
Would you want to get your piece of slime that flew on here?
Oh, yes.
Thank you.
Yeah,
Who would have thunk, huh, Auntie?
and you need...
Slime. Making all this money.
I
Serious.
used to sell it,
She used to sell it at school.
but I don't anymore.
You get in trouble?
No, I just didn't want to because those were one of my best slimes that I ever had.
Oh.
So I'm like, and I was saying no to people because I didn't want to sell them because I'm like, no. And then everyone used to just ask me for them, and then I did, and then they're like, oh, you need to do this to my slime. This isn't a good slime and stuff. So I'm like, you know what? Whatever. And I sold them still. People bought
That's
them.
cool.
But even though I shouldn't have sold them, but I'm saving my money for my dog, for a new dog, and if I have extra money, I gotta buy stuff for slime. That's why. I spent 16 minutes on this video. Oh yeah, so you have your glossy slime already done. Hearing my conversation in my business peeps. Bye.